it says like and subscribe, which you should totally do. Totally. Anyways, so we're going to review this Christmas tree poppet that I got while I was on vacation. And it's a really good poppet. I had this Band-Aid on. I was having trouble because of the Band-Aid. And then in real life you could see a poppet mark, but it didn't show up on camera. Anyways, this was the good side. I really like this poppet. I'm going to rate it a 10, but not a 10 plus, just because of some of the other details. This is my dimple digits. It's kind of boring after a while, so I rated it a 7.5. Guys, I got this little Orbeez ball at the dentist. It's so cute. It's toothpaste. The paint is bad quality, but it squishes so well. And the cap is even hollow. You can kind of see. There's usually an Orbeez in there though. But it squishes so well, and it's super cute even though the paint is already fading away. But it came like that, but I don't really care. It's just so super cute. Oh my gosh, Pepper. She likes it too. If you want one, you better go to the dentist, girl. You also might want some mints. Her breath smells bad. I bet you can't subscribe to the Depper, like this video, and share this video with one of your friends before I pop this dimple twice on each side and bounce the spike ball 3 times. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Well, who won? Okay, so this stress ball is really dirty. It doesn't look as dirty on camera, but it's still pretty dirty. So I'm gonna wash it. And now I'm gonna get a little bit of soap. Here's the stress ball. It's so much cleaner now. I'm so happy. Okay, I'm pretty bored. I've been playing with my fidgets for a while. I guess I should see what fidget I should play with now. A pink monkey noodle? Okay, I'm gonna give myself 3 tries. So I have 2 more. Black infinity cube. Oh, okay. And tie-dye circle poppet. I think I'm gonna go with the tie-dye circle poppet. So let's get that out. Okay, I got it. This is one of my favorite poppets. I'm gonna rate it. I think I'm gonna rate it a 8.5, cause some of the pops on the good side pop back. I mean, like they don't like actually pop back, but they do that. But other than that, it's really good. So, actually, maybe an 8 3/4.